want to watch Grandma? Put it up.
Oh. Mom, what the hell? She does not like
What
it.
is this crap?
She does like it.
I don't think we're gonna like this too much.
Well, that's how Sid first started with green beans, so... Dang, I bought like 8 jars of this. Come on, you gotta like it. It's chicken.
She said no. She says you ain't putting that stuff back in there.
I think we're gonna be a vegetarian for a while. Okay, but I'm not gonna like it.
Oh. She shivers every time.
Yummy. It's yummy. You eat it.
Is this her first meat? Oh.
Maybe I should have started out with beef. I don't know. We're more beef people. Chicken.
Yeah.
Supposed to get better each time.
Oh.
Just like, ugh. Yummy.
Sure it's not spoiled or anything?
No.
Taste it?
Yes. It's pretty much like she says. January 2012. It's fine.
If it tastes that bad, I don't know it's bad. Or good.
It smells like cat food.
Oh. I don't know about this.
Ow.
You little hope yet?
It only took Sid 4 spoonfuls of green beans to say, nope, that's enough. I know. It's kind of weird, huh? I know it. Oh. You're going to need a bath after this. Okay. We can go with carrots then, Miss Vegetarian.